आदर्श युवा विधायक पुरस्कार, जिन्हें हम हर सेशन में अपने विधायकों को देते हैं। देश भर से विधायक यहां पर पहुंचे हैं। मैं स्टेज पर इस समय आमंत्रित करना चाहूंगी पोखोरिम नॉर्थ गोवा से निर्दलीय विधायक श्री रोहन खोटे जी। निर्दलीय विधायक हैं आप रोहन खोटे, जिन्हें आदर्श युवा विधायक के लिए इस बार पुरस्कृत किया जा रहा है। तालियों के साथ जोरदार स्वागत इन युवा विधायक का श्री रोहन खोटे, जिनका मुख्य उद्देश्य रहा है कि इनके इलाके के लोगों को 24 घंटे पानी मिले और बिजली मिले, क्योंकि वहां 10 सालों से इसकी बहुत किल्लत रही है। युवाओं के कल्याण के लिए भी बहुत से कार्यक्रम हैं जिनमें शरीक होते हैं। आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे श्री रोहन खोटे?
Good evening, friends. It's definitely a big honor, and I'm privileged and flattered to be here for this August function. India is changing, and so are our thoughts. I believe the youth have woken up, and that is a difference that's going to make to the country. If we have sense of patriotism comes out, I think the dream of creating a India which we dream about, ek Sunehra Bharat, is not a long distant dream, it's quite short away. I think we should get out of blaming the political class and the system, rather get into the system, and that's what I have done. I am an independent candidate, elected from a constituency in Goa, having no political background, and I believe if I can do it, as I was sitting there some years back, you all have the capacity to do it. I believe if I have to say that politics drives everything around us, then good people need to come into politics. Better people can create better politics, and better politics can create a better nation. I would only like to wish all of you the very best and expect that through a beautiful classroom like this, organized, you will ignite a spark in you, work towards a model, your goal, a vision which you'll have to create, getting more transparency, accountability, and participative means of politics in India, making your constituency, your state, and your country proud of you. I'm very happy to have this honor, especially on the birth anniversary of my icon, Swami Vivekananda ji. I congratulate the organizers, especially Rahul Vishwanath Karad, who has taken all these pains to organize this wonderful classroom for all of you, creating a platform and encouraging all of you to join politics. Last but not the least, a small line which I always carry in my head. Success, there are no shortcuts. You need to work hard, you need to wake up, work hard, and be accountable and take responsibility individually in creating a better nation. Hamara Sunehra Bharat. Thank you.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया श्री रोहन खोटे।
I would also take the pleasure, and it would be a privilege, to call all of you to my constituency and the state, where I can definitely showcase right from how from the grassroots level we have taken up, and each one of us, like I owe my award today to my family and my friends who have been my pillars of strength, and I think the same can stand with you. Thank you.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।